welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making some Malva pudding. It's a very simple to follow recipe, so enjoy. We'll start off by beating our eggs. Do take note that you do not have, or you shouldn't actually use any electrical equipment to make this recipe, as it'll make your Malva pudding a bit dense. So I'm starting off by beating my eggs, and then I'm adding some vanilla essence. I'm going to add a tablespoon of apricot jam to the eggs with vanilla. So now I'm adding my butter, which is at room temperature. Once you've added your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and you've got a nice runny mixture, you just have to grease your pan and pour all of it into your pan. Put it into the oven and ready to go. To make the sauce that I'm going to pour over my cooled down pudding, I'm just going to need some evaporated milk, vanilla essence. I'm just gonna boil that, mix it, and add a bit of sugar to it. for some sweetness. It's totally up to you how much sugar you want to add. Keep in mind that your pudding already has sugar, so you wouldn't want to make it too sweet. I'm just making holes all over my pudding using a toothpick to make sure that the sauce will flow inside into my pudding. Once your pudding has cooled down completely, you're going to add your sauce. You're going to cover it with your sauce. Let that sink in and serve with custard. Well, I use some Ultra Mal.